This is we're back with MTV, and I'm here with Stephen Cross, one of our founding members, right?
That's correct. My name is Stephen Cross. I worked for Florida Power and Light. I was a founding member of the team, and currently I mentor the team and come back to help because I had got so much out of it.
Now, you've been one of the founding members and clearly been with the team for a very long time. What's the biggest time over change? What do you think?
The team has evolved a lot since we originally got founded. When we started, nobody really knew what we were getting into. As a student, I just saw the robot. One of the teachers came up and said, "Who wants to work on a robot? Who wants to build robots?" And I said, "Well, that sounds fun. I want to." And I knew nothing else besides that. I didn't know it was going to be, a 6-week build period. I didn't know how much time it was going to take. I didn't know what I'd learn. And after the first year, I loved it. So we kept coming back. And then after college, came back to help mentor because the team meant so much to me. I got so much out of it, learning how to become an engineer.
I'm sure. I mean, we're still here today, so you clearly did a great job starting us off. I mean, your influence has been real important to us as a team. You've helped us grow so much, and we're here, and we're taking video now, so we're striving, if you will. Now, you've had a neural network presentation. Any thoughts? Any comments?
Yeah, so the other day, I gave a neural network presentation to the team, and that's part of our ongoing teaching materials for the team. So we want the students not just to be here and doing busy work. We want them to learn. How do you do the programming? How do you do the electrical? How do you work all the tools in mechanical? Why is that connection that way and not a bolt or a rivet?
I mean, after all, we all just are high school kids, right? And this is
right.
For us
it's about learning. So the neural network presentation was to teach everybody what a neural network is and how an introduction to neural networks. And we got a lot of good feedback. Everybody was really interested. All of the programmers are jumping on the topic and they want to try programming some stuff with them. We're going to be using the NVIDIA Jetson board this year. We're going to be trying to build a neural network that will identify the goals for us so that we can have the robot line up and automatically score.
That is our end goal, and that's fantastic news. Great progress over the time. I won't waste any more of your valuable time. You're helping us greatly. That's all the time we have for this week. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
I'm here with one of our members on our team.
Hi, I'm Jack, the lead programmer.
And we've made a couple changes to the bot over the years, and you've been with us for that time. What's the biggest change in programming between last year and this year?
Yes, so this year we are officially making the transition from a Java-based robot to a Python-based robot, which means less code, it's faster to write the code, and we have code that looks nicer.
And it will probably be easier for freshmen to learn, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, it will be far simpler.
Which brings us to a whole new subject. We got a big influx of freshmen this year. Do you have any plan for teaching?
Oh yes, we've got lots of new freshmen and lots of new potential, and we've already been teaching new students how to program old robots.
Fantastic. So there's a couple things we plan on using with the bot this year, I've heard. One of them is the Spark Max.
Yes, so we've got the brand new Spark Maxes and the new brushless Neos. They're amazing, they spin fast, they're quiet, and they will be a joy to work with.
Now, I'm just going to reach over here. What can you tell me about this thing?
These 100-pound motors are the Sims. These are faster and better. And they're beautiful.
I'm sure. Fantastic. Hi, I'm back with a new guest.
Hi, my name is Philip Weinthal. I go to Jupiter High School. I'm a senior, and I'm president of the student board.
You've been pretty busy, and I know M.A.R.S have been working on a thing with other teams. I think it's called the Florida Alliance. Can you tell me more about it?
All right, so we're establishing this alliance to help a lot of the newer teams and to make Florida teams more sustainable. So that way, because in FRC, about half of the teams that join end up quitting. Really? So we've actually had a stagnation in growth in FRC.
Okay.
And we're hoping to fix that at least in Florida.
Oh, I didn't know about that, but I heard in this year's competition down in South Florida, there's a big group of new teams. Are we trying to work with them?
Yeah, so we're trying to support a lot of the new rookie teams. There are around 8, I think, at South Florida, and we really hope to be a help.
It's fantastic news that we're able to support other teams that are just trying to grow like us. I mean, after all, we weren't founded that long ago, and FRC isn't really that old, is it?
No, it's not. We were founded in 2005, and FRC was started in 1992.
Oh, the program's grown since then, I can tell you. I think that's it for now about the Florida Alliance. We'll catch an update about that in the future. Thank you.